Alright guys, so now we are finally here, man. We finally got that early pack in, a highly anticipated release ever since we got those official images earlier this year, and now we have them in today. Super excited to show you guys. And real quick, man, before we even get into it, before we dive into it, smack that like button right now for your boy The Vintage Man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, bruh. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up, man. It's always dope when I'm able to show you guys an early sneaker that hasn't released yet, that's a lot of buzz around, and I can get you guys thoughts and opinions. And so please go down below in the comment section and let me know what you think about this sneaker when we do unboxing, man. But before we do, if you guys are new to the channel right now, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy so you don't miss out on any content that we drop, especially early looks like this, reviews, no fees, shop job information, exclusive access information, restocks. We do all that over here on the channel, and I'll show you guys how to actually rock your sneakers with fashion, with clothing and stuff like that. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell for all future content, man. Yesterday we just did a full review and on feed over the Air Jordan 1 satin breads, and I thought they released today. They don't release it until next week, so I dropped that, review and on feed a whole week before the drop. And I told y'all that it releases tomorrow, so please, please mind me, what I'm saying? But Outrank does have a dope collection that will be dropping for those Air Jordan 1 satin breads, which I'm gonna touch back on, talk about a little bit on the official release day. I think it's October the 18th or something like that. But we're gonna talk about them satin breads at least one more time before they drop, man. All right, man, so here we have it, bro. They are here. Let's go ahead and get that nice handy dandy knife. This ain't the official Rambo one that I usually use. It's a gold one that I always had. Had this for a little minute now. I know you guys used to see me using that Rambo knife, bruh. I don't know where I got that from. Everybody always laughing when I do use it. But we're gonna use this gold thing real quick to get inside of this sneaker, bro. Let's go ahead and get into it, bro. I actually had these for a couple of days now. Just wanted to find the right time to actually do that unboxing. I don't like to plan my content on it. It might sound crazy, but I want everything to be kind of organic. I want everything to be, my real reaction to the sneaker. So like when I unbox it, it's a one take Jake. No, I try to leave out as much edit as I can. So just so you guys can get that real reaction to the shoe, bro. And I dog these things, bro. I definitely dog the sneaker. I said they trash. I said, Jordan, man, what y'all doing? Y'all messing up an OG colorway. And yeah, now we have it, bro. Let's get into it, man. Enough talking. Y'all said, Da Vinci, stop talking, and let's show you guys the box. When I show you the box, you're gonna know exactly what they are. Here go the bottom of the box right here. Check them out, man. Y'all see it, bro. Go ahead and comment down below what you think these are. I probably already showed it in the thumbnail. I'm not too sure. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. Hold on. Let's go ahead and get into it, bro. You guys see it, man. You have a blue Nike up top. You got Nike branded all the way around the sneaker. And that official colorway reads Air Jordan Retro High OG, black, royal blue, and white. And I got these things in a size 10 right here just for you guys, man. I got these things just for you guys to break them down, to show y'all exactly what these things are hitting for. I might can't fit a size 10. I've been wearing a size 9.5 lately, but a size 10 might fit. We're gonna see what it's hitting for, man. So let's go ahead and flip the top open, bruh. Let's get into it, man. Let's see what these things is hitting for, bruh. So let's go ahead and get into these things, man. In 3, 2, 1. Bam, man. Check these guys out, man. The Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined things, man. Let's go ahead and get both of these sneakers out of this, tissue paper. Jordan Brown went crazy with the tissue paper on this one. I don't know what you need all this tissue paper for, but yeah, they definitely gave it to us. And here goes both of the Royal Reimagineds outside of the box, man. You guys can see there's a lot of talk about if it was going to be a suede, if it was going to be a nubuck, and actually getting them in hand, they feel like more of a nubuck on the sides than you have the suede, kind of furry suede on the back of the shoe. I'm gonna be sure to hit you guys some B-roll so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. It's definitely a difference of material from the toe box and the Nike swoosh, and leading towards the heel and all that good stuff. It's definitely two different materials. And I seen a pair a couple of months ago, and they definitely did not look like this at all. Yeah, I'm sweating a little bit, man. I don't know if it's because this heat I got in here. Is this heat to y'all? Are these trash? They fire? Y'all copping? Is it a W? Is it an L? I need to see all you guys' thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section, just so I can see who all gonna be rocking with these things, man. Like I said, I wasn't too big of a fan of these because I already have the Air Jordan Royals. Then I copped the dark marina blue Air Jordan 1s. It's like, you know, one and the same sneaker. And you come a couple of years later and you get something like this right here that's definitely got a lot of buzz behind it. It's a lot of people talking about grabbing these things. And the resale is pretty low. So, you know, usually one or two things says something about the resale on a sneaker. Either it's a lot of pairs or people just completely hate the sneaker. And I do not think that that's the case. I don't think people hate it. I think it's a lot of pairs these produced. And it's gonna go, they're gonna sell out, bro. I don't care how low the resale value is. These are definitely gonna sell out just because it is a royal colorway, bro. The Royals hold a lot of weight. People love the royal colorway. So y'all can go ahead and sleep on these things if y'all want. Y'all can see the resale values low and try to, you know, lollygag around the release. I'm telling you, you're gonna take a huge L on these things if you're thinking like that. You did get an extra set of blue laces in here. Go ahead and check that out. My box kind of done popped open, but you get an extra set of blue laces, man. Check that out. And if I had to choose between black or blue, I'm gonna keep it with the black, man. That's how I rock my, you know, original Air Jordan 1 Royals, man, which I'm gonna grab real quick. Oh man, I had to grab the heat real quick, right? This thing been sitting for a while. You guys can see it, man. The Air Jordan 1 Royals, bro. I haven't worn these in a while. But you guys can tell I have been doing a little bit of damage to these things, man. It's a reliable sneaker. The royal colorway is definitely a top 3 Air Jordan 1 colorway in my opinion. And you compare them to the Reimagined that we're about to get next month, and you guys can probably already know where I'm going, bro. The OG Royals are killing the Reimagined, and I feel like it's a different story when you talk about the Lost and Found Jordan 1 Chicago's and the Chicago ones. Bro, both them things is fire, man. I don't know if I'm the only one to think like that, but as far as the Reimagined 1s with this suede and this new buck on the upper, I don't even think it compares to the Lost and Found drop that we got a couple years back. So if you did not know what the original, the OG Royals look like, man, here you have it right here. Beautiful sneaker. The leather was super tumbled. Back when these dropped, they weren't that hard to get, and now we get a Reimagined look with this suede and new buck upper, man. So again, let me know down below in the comment section, man, how you rocking out with them. Rate these things 1 through 10. I'm not gonna give my rating yet. Probably save it for a little bit closer to the drop date. Lace these things up, see how they look and all that good stuff before I give you guys my, you know, solid stamp. If I approve these things, if I'm saying I ain't grabbing these things and all that good stuff. But I want to see how the Vintage Squad is feeling about this upcoming release over the Air Jordan 1 Reimagined Royals, man. The quality is really nice. Don't see a lot of, like, you know what I'm saying, quality control issues or anything like that. It smells really good. It's an Air Jordan 1. They fresh, you know what I'm saying. Who don't love a pair of clean Air Jordan 1s to add to the collection, especially a royal colorway like this. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. Make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy. And please give a huge like on today's video. We're gonna be doing a full review and on feed over the Royal Reimagined, a little bit close to the drop date. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to swing that size 10. So whenever we do get that 9.5, size 9, definitely gonna break these things down, lace them up and everything like that, just for you guys. I appreciate all the support. Again, go crazy down below in the comment section. We're less than like 400 away from giving away a pair of Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. So please support your boy. Let's go ahead and get this 80K. Again, thank you guys so much. Thanks for tapping in. And with all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.